Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable or disable Numlock at Windows 11 startup in PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for regedit. Once you've typed it, wait until a batch should appear in this window, which is the system called Registry Editor, and along with it, you need to go with Run as Administrator. Now, the moment you click on it, you would be able to receive a notification where your user account control is asking you to say yes. Please click on yes so that you would be able to give permission on running the registry editor. So from here, please proceed at the left pane at the upper left side of that where you can see a list of the keys. Where here you need to navigate with HK underscore users. So double tap to expand it, and from here you can see there dot default. Double tap to it, and here at the dot default, you need to locate for control panel. So I can see it here next to console. So double tap once again. And under the control panel key, you need to scroll down and navigate to keyboard. So the moment you click on keyboard, you would be able to see here different value where you need to locate for initial keyboard indicator. So double tap to it and you would be able to see a value data here. Now, here's the catch. If you'd like to enable the numlock at the startup, all you need to do is you need to set it into 2. Okay? Once you're done, click on OK. And you just have to close or minimize the window and restart your computer. The moment you restart your computer, you would be able to enable the numlock at your Windows 11 startup. But on the contrary, if you'd like to disable the numlock in your Windows 11 startup, all you need to do is you need to navigate the same process, and that is to bring up your registry editor again, navigate the same step, and that is to go with HK underscore users, proceed with that default, proceed with control panel, and select on keyboard. So here in the initial keyboard indicators, double tap once again and set the value data into 0. In this way, you would be able to disable the numlock in your Windows 11 startup. Please click on OK. Close or minimize the window. Navigate to the start icon. Please click on it. Go with your power menu options and click on restart. Once you've restarted your PC, you would be able to disable the numlock in the Windows 11 startup. Okay? So those are the two simple steps on how to enable or disable the numlock at your Windows 11 startup. If those steps help you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.